There's a beehive up there.
Okay, we're coming up on the Blair Bee Project. Here it is. You see the bees? Some type of pile? Is this from the Blair Witch Project? Oh my god. Guys. What a beauty. What a beautiful lawn. We got a couple little patches, but for the most part, that is a thing of beauty. Hello and welcome to Monique's gardening segment, and today we're going to be learning about planting a rose into the ground and seeing if we can get a rose bush or something. I wanted to see if we could just take a clipping and create a rose bush out of this. Is it possible? I don't know. I've never done it before, and we're all going to do it for the first time together. I watched a couple YouTube videos, so I think I know what I'm doing. All right, so I read something. No, sorry, watched. We got to do like a slanted, like cut here, a fresh slanted cut, right? Right here, like that, right? Or like even like that. We don't want to do it too much, but I guess. And then like another thing like this. Maybe I like. Sorry, rosebush. Oh, maybe like this. I'm sorry, I'm assaulting this plant. Okay. So now that we got this. We just cut, we cut here. We're gonna use this 6 inches long. I'm gonna attempt to make 2 clippings from this. So my fingertip is about an inch, so I'm just gonna go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we might not have 2 full clippings here, but yeah, we'll just go like that. Oh, sorry, mister. You're the beautiful part of the rose bush. Okay, so I actually got this from my neighbor. I was just taking a walk and we were discussing how we wanted rose bushes, and the lady just gave me this beautiful long stem rose thingy, and I was like, hey, what if I turn this into a free rose bush? So this is the attempt. All right, so it said something about cutting off all this stuff, and then you take some honey, which I got right here. It's just a little bit of honey. Got some grade A honey right here. I guess it's supposed to help, like as a rooting agent. I don't know if it helps with the fungus, but I'm gonna put this about 1 to 2 inches on the end. Right, 1 to 2 inches. I'm going to stick it into the soil. Alright, so I guess 3 inches deep is probably ideal. 1, 2, 3, so like up to here. I'm just gonna stick that straight into the soil. And yeah, I'm just gonna let the leaves do photosynthesis or whatever you call it. And then now we got this one with an actual rose bud. 2 rose buds. One is like, please save me. And this one's like, I'll try. It's like Romeo and Juliet. So let's see if we can save Romeo and Juliet. Alright, so I'm gonna cut off this bottom leaf because it's in the way. We're gonna do, we already have the slanted cut, we just did that. Like this. Just trying to see different options that work. We're gonna get the honey. Okay. All right, I got some of these little fertilizing sticks. I got them from my kids' grandparents, and it says this for prolific flowering plants, fertilizer spikes. All right, so we're just gonna take 2 of these. And every time it's watered, a little bit of fertilizer will come out from these little sticks. And that's the best I can do for these poor little roses. I didn't have any antifungal, which they recommend. And also, we got to get a water bottle or something and cut off the bottom. And then, like, put it on top of the stem to cause humidity around it. I think I'm just going to get some saran wrap and just get a stick, put it out the middle, and then over the top, but we'll see. Now, we water this thing. So after a couple of minutes of this deliberating, I decided the best idea was to use a bunch of saran wrap. And what I did here was, in the middle, I just wrapped this whole thing around with saran wrap, just around like a wall, but open at the top. And then there's a stick that goes straight down the center that when you take this opening and close it towards the center, you can put you can just leave it like that, or you could put like a rubber band at the top to help keep it closed a little bit more if you want, and then open it up so you can water it, and bada bing bada boom, you got yourself a greenhouse. All right, so we'll do an update. Make sure you keep it moist, don't let it dry out, and try to avoid anything getting in there to cause fungus and whatnot. Okay, thank you for joining us on waterthesprouts.com. Today is the June 2020 garden update, and I will be taking you a walk through my garden. All right, so today I also want to update you on the fact that when I planted these rose stems, the hard part, somebody gave them to me. And if you'll look very closely, I don't know if you can see, if we can zoom in on the stem, where is it? Right here. You see that? 222, life. It's life forming right there. I'm going to save these and turn a 3 long stem rose into a rose bush. Thank you, neighbors, and I'm going to show her. She's going to be so proud. All right, so over here we also have some succulents that are very easy to save. I got them from my neighbor. They're very nice, so I'll give you more updates on that. Nothing much to report here. However, if you walk along the garden, we have a lot of good, exciting things. All right, so follow me into the front yard. for today's garden update. I'll let you know next month with all the new growth and exciting stuff. Thank you for watching.